Hello! In this module, we will practice properly stacking cases onto a pallet. Stacking methods depend on the type of case. Cardboard cases that don't interlock need to be stacked like bricks with the edges overlapping, like this. Brick layering like this offers more stability and will help keep the stack from falling over. RPCs and some cardboard cases are treated differently. They have slots that interlock with each other, so they should be stacked in columns like this. RPCs also have lids, which should be placed on the top layer before stacking any other type of case on top of it to protect the items inside. Remember, when stacking cases, critical quality standards require that any boxes with directional arrows are placed arrows up to prevent damage. Now it's your turn, starting with RPCs. Remember, RPCs need to be picked from the slot and stacked on the pallet in columns, not brick layers. Good! Now place it in the corner on the far side of the pallet closest to the pallet truck. Great job! Now do the same with the other 4 cases, starting closest to you and working back. Nice work! The pallet now has a base layer that items can be stacked on top of. Now place a layer on top of the first, making sure to stack directly onto the first layer in the columns. Place the last group of cases on top of the others, making sure to stack directly onto the other layers in columns. Nice! Now let's stack some cardboard cases. Start by grabbing a case with both hands. Good! Now place it in the corner on the far side of the pallet closest to the pallet truck. Great job! Now do the same with the other 4 cases, starting closest to you and working back. Now, place a layer on top of the first, rotating the cases 90 degrees to create a brick layer on top of the first. Great job! There's 1 layer of cases left before we can call this pallet done. Place the last group of cases on top of the others, rotating the cases 90 degrees again to make another brick layer. Excellent job. Proper pallet stacking is essential to making sure that items aren't damaged or lost during shipment. Meat products also require special attention. To prevent cross-contamination, they must be stacked by cooking temperature. Guides like this one will be visible in the meat room, so don't worry about memorizing the order. Additionally, meat products must be stacked with labels facing out for identification. Let's practice by filling this empty pallet with meat. Select the meat that should go on the bottom. Nice. Chicken and poultry should always go on the bottom. What comes next? Good work. 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 What comes next? Awesome job. All that's left is the fish. That's right. There needs to be a species divider under the fish. Now finish up by selecting the fish. Excellent work. This pallet is now ready for shipment. That's all for this module.